Hello guys, welcome back to the episode of the 4 villas which is taking place in Kitengela. And today I just want to show you the progress that we have made up to now. Just to give you the overview, we have finished with the frames and architraves at the moment, and also we are also doing the gypsum and also the skimming. So currently we are going on with the skimming on the wall and also on the gypsum. Remember, the gypsum and the wiring are going concurrently, so they have to be ahead. The wiring and the gypsum guys have to be ahead of the painter who's doing the skimming. So up to now, on the lower part, the kitchen, the porch, the first bedroom, and all the washroom on the lower side, the pantry, all of those we have finished with the gypsum work and also the skimming on the gypsum work. Just to inform you, the kitchen, we are not going to do the skimming on the wall. The reason being, in the kitchen we are going to do most of the places will be hidden with will be hidden because we are going to do the cabinetry, so there is no need of doing skipping there. And also in other remaining parts we are going to do tilings. So in the wall of the kitchen we are not going to do that. We are going to do partially the areas we are going to do those ones. So the kitchen, this is the kitchen area. The gypsum is completely done. The gypsum is also completely done, only remaining the sanding, which will be done maybe later, maybe next week. And also there is no much issues, being that the repairs on the frames were done and the architraves had been done. And after finishing with the skimming, there is no forth and back, because we wanted when you finish it something, you finish completely. So it's giving us an easy time to move on to other areas that which we are working on. So remember, in this project we have 2 buildings. We have the 4-bedroom villa, and also we have just another guest room. Remember, the guest room, they decided to do a guest room outside. So we are, as much as we are working in this, we are also working on the guest room. The guest room is a building where there is a servant quarter on the other side, and the other side is the guest room area. So they decided to build that outside. And also the DSQ is detached from the main house. So they are like 3 buildings which we are going which we are just working on simultaneously. So on the upper floor, where there is from the 2nd bedroom to master, and also it also carries the family room, the skimming have not been done. We are still on the lower ground, still finishing on the lower ground. So what have been done here, the gypsum have been done fully in all those. Not in the 3rd bedroom, they are still working going on, and also in the master there is still work going on. Here where we are seeing, this is the family room. The family room, we are done with the ceiling and the gypsum, so it's only remaining the skimming on the wall. So the work is a bit slow, being that we were last week, the whole of last week, a part of last week, not the whole of last week, we worked on the other building, so that now we are on this. And for this kind of house, it always takes you around 2 weeks to finish with the skimming for the entire interior of the house. It's 2 weeks. 2 weeks you can do it with the two guys. If you use 3, it can be less, but 2 guys can take 2 weeks or 1.5 to complete it. That's not considering that's include the skimming itself, the wall skimming itself, and also include the sanding. So after this, they will start sanding on the skimming, on the wall, and also on the ceiling. So here is the master. The work is still going on the master. Yeah, if you've realized, in all the rooms we have just used a simple design on the roof, on the gypsum. And also another thing I wanted to also inform you is that you can see, like this one, we have used the waterproof gypsum on all the washrooms. All the washroom is recommended you use waterproof gypsum. Reason being, it's where there's a lot of water, and also there is it will be a lot of steaming when they are showering, and also just to risk, because there's a lot of pipings going on in those rooms, so maybe just in case there's a leakage, so you use the gypsum, which is waterproof. It's easy to prevent such cases. Like in normal gypsum, it can absorb the moisture, but now when you use the waterproof, it can't absorb the moisture. So it's recommended in those areas you can use that one. In most cases, I do that. So this is very, very key to note. So by the close of the week, all the gypsum work shall have been done in the main house, because the other house we had finalized with everything. So by the end of the week, everything concerning gypsum shall have been done. So we projected that the gypsum will take 2 weeks, the skimming will take 2 weeks, then the tilings also will take another 2 weeks, and all of the cabinetry will take a maximum of 3 weeks, because it has a lot of work to be done on that. So this is the office, and we have just given a provision there where you can plug instead of having an extension on over the one to the socket, we just put it on the center, the same way it's been done in most offices. So it gives you a very easy way of access to the power and also the internet cables. So next time, if you are doing the office in your house, consider doing that. And this is the rooftop. I think you all now know this house. If you've been following it from day one, you now understand how it moves. This is the rooftop where they will be resting. So these are the flower pots. There are about 4 of them here. Yeah. So, and also there is a kitchen net. Yeah, this space is for the kitchen net. just when they have maybe they can host a guest up here, they can warm food, or maybe they can decide to rest up here so they can do a light meal on top of this house. So once again, welcome to this channel. This is Ken Ochilo. This is the channel where we educate each other, and also we inform one another, and we make you feel at home. And as the vision we have is to make it easier for everyone to access the technologies and all the services that is needed when you are building your home. So through this channel you will get a lot of information pertaining what you need, pertaining the construction, where you can source all your materials, and how to do it, how much it can cost. So all those ones you can get from this channel. So welcome back, and also thank you for the support. Continue sharing and continue supporting this channel, because by liking, sharing, and also commenting, it's giving us a range of reaching so many people. So kindly give us your comment down there. Shaanza kupanda. Hizi stairs. So this is the skimming, skimming going on. So this is the guest room. The guest room, everything have been done concerning the skimming, the ceiling, and also the frames, the wiring. All those are in place. Yeah. So there's something I'm going to show you here, which I've been talking about. The reason why we were doing, you see that black point, it's a hacking which was done on the frame, because there was a repair taking place there. So those kind of issues is why we decided to do the architrave and the quarter round before the skimming, so that when there's an issue like that, it being resolved before. So there's no way you can come back and hack the wall, then again the skimming guy have to come back and redo the place. So this one was just an oversight, and it's only one place where we have done such kind of work. Yeah, so everything else, the skimming on all other rooms have been cleared up. Only remaining we're just remaining with the sanding, so that we start other things. So in this room, what is remaining here is tile work. The tile work, we are going to going ahead to start fixing the cabinet, and also fixing the interior doors and locks. So stay tuned. We will be following this together, and I'll be keeping you in touch to show you step by step how things are going. It's still we still have like a month, 1 month to go, because we are anticipating by the end of July, I think we should have done like 80% of what of everything that is needed in this home. So there's much less has been done in terms of the landscaping and outside, though there's a lot of work going on the plastering outside. So yeah, that's what we have now. So if you've watched this up to here, thank you very much, and also I will request you to kindly just subscribe and also share this. Give us a comment down, because that will help us and grow our channel, and also help us reach a good number of people. Remember, this channel is for information also, as much as it also helps us get out there, but it's also informing others and knowing on steps to do when you are building your house. So we are here for you, and we share this together. So up to now, thank you very much. I'll leave you with this, and I expect to see you in our next video. Thank you.